She's still sizzling. Just bow. Just bow. Okay. I feel like you can't brush your teeth with a soft toothbrush. What's up, guys? Welcome on Pre. It's your girl with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. To do what? Come over to everything Teash. Okay? Period. Alright, so today, happy Easter to whoever celebrate Easter. If you don't, happy weekend. Whatever you want to do, have fun, turn up. But for me, I'm going to a concert tonight. But right now, I've been trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. But I think I'm going to put on a wig. I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to go to the nail salon. In this economy, don't worry, it's not my money, please. I don't even play games like that. But this is what it's given. I've been biting them and I don't like that. I think it makes your hand look ugly. I don't really want to reach out for things, or else I would be putting these on. And I got them from the hair store. I really like them. My friend's wedding is next weekend though, so I don't know, I might put these on today, and then before I go to my friend's wedding, I go get them done. But anyways, the concert started at 8 p.m. so I might not have time, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna speed this up. Anyways, long time no see. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I know it's pretty fake of me. I said that I was gonna continue to be consistent. I feel like I'm always lying. On accident, y'all, on accident. I still have a lot of things that I need to edit, but I can't find my SIM cards. I really have not been able to find anything on my phone anymore. So I do have my external drive, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sync all my videos to it so I can push more videos out to you guys. Also on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts, you know, all of it. If y'all are not following me on TikTok, you can also type in everything Teash. It's a vegan company. I really like the products. I want them to get to know me, but they're not seeing me when I tag them. But look at how my skin is gonna glow. Are they really gonna ban TikTok? Shit, at this point, just do it. I've been seeing in the comment section that people said that TikTok is like an abusive relationship now. Just ban it and be done with it. But the thing is, TikTok doesn't have to shut us out until June 19th. Do I think that they're going to push for us to keep TikTok? No. But also, the man that created TikTok, he's not even Chinese. He's from Singapore. So I don't understand. I don't understand how we're correlating Singapore with China. So I hope that that's not the thing. And the man keeps saying I'm not Chinese. But I want to put this wig on first. This is the wig that I want to put on. This is what I bought from Sarah B. Livin. It's a creator on TikTok, but also a businesswoman. She don't play, she gets down. That's that lady that was married to that Indian man, okay? If you guys don't know, get into it. Anyways, I'm just gonna plait my hair and hope, and I'm not combing out the edges. I mean the ends, I'm not. So this is the plait, period. Just bow. I actually forgot to record when I was putting my wig on. Sorry. Let's keep it moving though. What am I doing? I'm tripping. So while I let that dry, let's go back up here. See what we're talking about. Talk to me nice. Look at that. Girl, you so pretty. Hey, girl, you look good. You only need a little bit of this stuff. Oh, shit. I forgot my first step. We're gonna contour. We're gonna use a new brush from e.l.f. We're gonna go in with some contour. I just realized I should say something. I'm just looking at me the way y'all are looking at me. Wow, girl, you're pretty bad. Now I'm gonna finish up with my Seal It. I love, 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 love Seal It. There's nothing in there. I'll be surprised if I get anything out, but I need to order this again. I don't think they sell it in store. I ordered mine online. I've never seen it in store. But talk about sweating, swimming, whatever you want with this on, your makeup will not move. And it goes on like paint in a sense. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what to wear. This is my first outfit choice, maybe, possibly. I wanted to do these thigh highs. I don't think they're too long to be uncomfortable, you know? I don't. So here they are. And then with this purse, is it going to work? Is it giving something?
It's giving something, girl. It's giving everything, girl. You look good.
Tell me something. Or this sport. A sport is, you know, shorts and skirt. It would be underneath here like this. Or this. Wow. Either way, I want to show my body tonight. I want to show my body. So we're gonna try them on, and then we're gonna pick. Woo! Not me playing try on with y'all. I was gonna put on no shows. Well, as long as these don't slide down. Hold on, hold on. For smell, I'm gonna add some amber musk. Don't play with it. I'm also gonna put on my what is this? My Latafa on top of the vanilla. I'm about to set it off. I'm about to set it off. My earring is downstairs. Shit, my accent just came out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Find y'all, find y'all. Hey, find y'all, find y'all. Hey. I'm gonna cop this leg. I'm gonna cop this leg. This gonna be me all night. What'd you say? Huh? This gonna be me all night. Ah, talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. But you could a bit bigger dance. That's okay, that's okay. We rock you with the whole night. I'll be like, huh? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. If you don't, just have a good, great Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come over to Everything Teash, okay? Period. All right, you guys, so listen, it's now Sunday. Again, happy Easter if you celebrate Easter. If you don't, cheers, Sunday. Going back to work tomorrow. Y'all, my head is booming. I still have my plait in. Yeah, yesterday we didn't go to, I didn't go to a concert. I didn't go to a concert. He bought the tickets and didn't even realize the concert was today, Sunday. So we're gonna go to the concert today, but we ended up staying outside until 4:30 a.m. Now it's 2:32 p.m. We're going, my head is hurting. We're going to go get something to eat and then prepare for church at 6 p.m. because we missed the 1 o'clock Easter service. So we're going to the 6 p.m. and then we're going to go to the concert at 8. I'm not at home, obviously. Not at home. Ew. This toothbrush is soft. I feel like you can't brush your teeth with a soft toothbrush. It's not brushing anything. My breath will stink today. Ugh. It don't even have the back part to scrape your tongue. I don't look as dirty, do I? Yeah. We're about to go eat. I've been here before. I've been here only once. It is very, very good. This place is so good. I wanted to keep it a secret. They are so sweet. When I went back in there the third time after work just to get some queso, the girl was like, oh, you were here on Sunday. Yes, ma'am. I'm outside. I look like menu. It's so, so good here. This queso is so good. And it's so affordable. She's still sizzling. Yes. Oh my gosh, I gotta get plastic. It's a little bit dirty. am full, and I've only had one. The one you see me eating is what I ate. So I'm gonna take this home. I'm taking this home. Yeah, so we're gonna pack up and we're going to head out. All right, we're done. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's almost 5 o'clock. I need a nap, my head's hurting. I think it's because I haven't been sleeping too much. I drank a lot of water just now, my head is still hurting. Church, the next service starts at 6, but I need a nap, but I also wanna upload this today, like right now. Hopefully I can get this up by 6 p.m. If I can't, you know the vibes. Remember, you guys come over here for authenticity. You're not coming over here for nothing flashy. You know, sometimes you might see me in something nice every once in a while. But listen, I live life on a budget. I live life within budget. I don't let social media have me go out here doing things that will cause me to be broke, homeless. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come over to Everything Teash. Dang, you on my body.